If you're watching this, your child was likely injured at their daycare center. You're unsure of how the incident happened, and you don't know if you should take your child back to the same daycare where the injury occurred. It's an emotional and difficult decision, but we're here to guide you through it. The short answer, we would not recommend keeping your child at the same daycare when a serious injury occurs. Let me explain why. First, you need to understand how the injury occurred. Was it a genuine accident, or was it due to negligence? You should ask for detailed accounts from the daycare staff and get written incident reports. Understanding the specifics of the situation will help you determine whether it could have been prevented and whether it could happen again. Next, take a close look at how the daycare responded after the injury. A responsible daycare should take immediate action, providing first aid and notifying you right away. They should also report the incident to the state, as required by law. If they're transparent and take steps to improve their safety protocols, that's a positive sign. But if they're not, that's a major red flag. After the injury, it's essential to consult with healthcare professionals. Speak with your child's pediatrician to make sure there are no lingering health concerns. If the injury was traumatic, consider talking to a child psychologist. They can assess any emotional impact on your child and offer strategies to help them cope. It's also a good idea to consult with a daycare injury lawyer. Understanding your legal rights can help you make a more informed decision about whether to return your child to that daycare. At the Button Law Firm, we help parents navigate these tough choices every day. Rebuilding trust with the daycare is key. If you're considering returning, visit the facility again. Have they made any improvements to prevent future incidents? Look for any new safety protocols or equipment, and check if the staff has been retrained. Pay attention to whether the worker involved in your child's injury is still there. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, don't ignore it. Finally, evaluate the daycare's track record. Read online reviews, check for any past violations, and consider the daycare's overall reputation. A pattern of complaints is a clear sign of deeper issues. If you decide not to return to the original daycare, there are always other options. Visit new facilities to find one that meets your safety standards and provides a nurturing environment. And if you're looking for guidance on finding a new daycare, we've got you covered. Check out our free guide, 10 Tips for Finding a Safe Daycare, link below. Deciding whether to return your child to a daycare where they were seriously injured is a personal and challenging choice. By investigating the incident, assessing the daycare's response, and trusting your instincts, you can make the best decision for your family. Remember, your child deserves a safe, caring environment where they can thrive. If you have any questions or need help after a daycare injury, reach out to our team at the Button Law Firm. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.